guys, Kia here. So I'm back again with another video. So today's video, I bet you can guess it, I'm going to be showing you how to create a straight high ponytail. So stay tuned and look and learn. Starting with freshly blow dried hair, I'm just going to go in and flat iron my hair. My method of flat ironing my hair is I like to go through my hair in small sections and pass through my hair with the flat irons once and twice at the max. So now that I'm finishing up my hair, I'm just going through the front. I'm going to completely finish by taking this hot comb, and I got this hot comb from Walmart, I believe. It's by Hot Tools, and it's an electric hot comb. You just plug it into the wall. And I'm just going to hot comb all of my edges, the perimeter of my hair that'll be left out in this ponytail. So the front, the sides, and the back of my hair. Next, I'm going to pull my hair up to the top of my skull and create a ponytail. So I'm just using a brush, normal bristle brush, just to brush it up into I will call this a mock ponytail because this ponytail is not going to be tight. I'm just using it for molding purposes. But make sure you get it in the right place. So I don't make this ponytail as tight. It's just there for placement. So I'm just getting this as straight and neat as possible. Now I'm going to take my Gots to Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm just going to mold the back of my hair. I'm starting with the back, so spraying generously onto the back and then brushing it up and using my hand as a guide. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to go against the touch so that my hair doesn't ripple up in the back and just blow dry that. So I'm basically just kind of pulling my hair up as I'm blow drying it. I'm doing the same thing to each side. So I'm going to spray, blow dry it, hold it in place until it's dry. This freeze spray dries really quick. So as you can see, it is freezing. Same thing to the next side. And sometimes you'll need your comb to, get those hair strands in place. Do that as much as you need to, because with this spray, once you spray it, it's stuck. So be careful. Spray it and do it neatly. Take your time. Don't spray it all at once. I got the back down pack. I'm just going to refix my ponytail and get on the front. So I'm starting with each side, making sure that I brushed and sprayed it in the direction that it needs to go in. Literally, I am just spraying it, taking my comb, molding this into the style that I want, and pressing down onto my head tightly and moving my hand upwards as I'm blow drying it. Same to the front. So this process for the millionth time is called molding. Molding my hair. Holding that hair down and blow drying it in place. This is much faster than sitting under the dryer. This is so much faster than sitting under the dryer. I can't stand sitting under the dryer. Like, oh, am I done yet? Okay, so now that it's completely molded all around, You're just going to take your ponytail to the top of your head. If you need to fix it a little, do that, because this is your ponytail. Make it really tight. I'm going to just put it into a ponytail. This is where I want mine to sit, like on the top back of my skull. Tighten it up a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So if you're here and you're watching and you like what you see, subscribe. Okay, so I've pulled down my baby hairs. Just got them out of the way. Okay, so now that I have molded my hair into a ponytail with the Gots to Be Glue Freeze Spray, I'm just gonna take this hair and put it into a braid. So now I'm going to spray down my braid, secure the braid. Next, I'm just going to fold my braid in. I'm using some old tracks that I had. I'm just going to fold my braid in and pin it. And then starting from the bottom, I'm going to pin the tracks around the braid. So what I do is I hold it down, I wrap it around, and then I take the pin and pin it downwards. So I just stick it downwards into the end of the braid. And then I continue to wrap it around in the same direction. Pin it. Personally, I like to double my tracks. It just makes the ponytail thicker, faster. But you can do it singly if you want. It just takes longer. So you wrap it around tightly. If you jump around too much, it's going to be really thin. So close together, wrap it, and then pin it. You can have maybe like a pinky finger distance in between each point. So you just continue to wrap and pin, wrap and pin. But yeah, I'm just going to keep on doing this. Now it's time to clean it up. So I'm just spraying the Got to Be Glued hairspray on my ponytail again, just running through it with the comb to make sure that there are no flyaways. I'm going to clip this ponytail out of the way so that I can get the back as well. So now I'm going to use some Design Essentials Edge Control and just brush those baby hairs with a toothbrush into my ponytail. I like to use edge control because it keeps my edges nice and soft for the most part. Give myself some sideburns. I love sideburns. And really with these baby hairs, just use your finger as a guide. When it's time to curve it, just like kind of use your finger to keep it in place and swoop it around. If that's the look you're going for, that is. I love some little swoops. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And the top, I'm going to do it really light so it doesn't look overbearing. So this is like a series of waves and curves. So now blocking my face, I'm just going to spray the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. And I'm taking some neck strips and wrapping it around my edges so that the style doesn't mess up. I'm doing this super gently, by the way. Next, I'm going to use a piece about 1 inch thick from the back of the ponytail, and I'm going to spiral curl it. I'm going to use this as the band around the ponytail to hide the pins and the tracks and all the things that don't make a ponytail look neat. So now I'm going to just fan that out. Force pin is out of the way. And you just spray as you go. And going in the direction of the curl, I'm just going to wrap it around. Make sure you comb it out. And just wrap it around tightly. So I'm wrapping this curled band around, and every time I go around, I'm just kind of spraying it. I'm not worried about the pin that's sticking out. Just spraying it and wrapping it around because the hair will cover it all. Make sure that you're wrapping this tightly so that you can get a nice tight band around your ponytail. You can use a lot more hair for your band if you like it to stand up higher, but for this particular style, I just wanted my band to be minimal. Now, pin down the ends of the band, the hair band you just created. Okay guys, so that concludes our look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy learning how to make a ponytail, okay? So this ponytail is a complete protective style. I didn't use any glue, so our hair is still good, okay? Thanks guys.